How can you read the PDF audio in the iPhone through the document? So let me show you what you probably want to achieve. Let me guide you through it. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So let's say you have a PDF document stored in your Files app, right? And it contains a bunch of text. So if you want to just like read it, make sure that you click on the document as such and open it through an application, right? So you can also just, instead of clicking on it right away, you can hold it down and click on open with and then decide which app you want to use it with. So for example, you might have like a Adobe Acrobat or a PDF Expert or whatever, but you can get inside like in any application. And then we need to utilize the reading features, right? So you're going to try to swipe it down with two fingers from the top edge of the screen, see if it works and if it starts to read everything on the screen right away. Right, so it could work, but if it doesn't, you have to set it up inside of the settings at first by going to the main section, accessibility, and then you can find the read and speak and make sure that the speak screen is turned on as well as the speak selection. So these two options should most definitely be turned on because the speak screen gets activated as I've shown you by swiping down with the two fingers from the top edge of the display, and you basically need to open up the PDF file, perform the gesture, and the text on that PDF will be read out loud to you. Or you can as well just hold down on the individual text and select it like this and tap on speak, right? And it will start to speak only the selected text. That's why in the settings, we not only turn on the speak screen, but also the speak selection. So these are the two ways how you can read out loud the audio, which is part of your PDF document. So I really hope I can help you out with it. If there is something more which you are like wondering about, let me know about it below in the comments. Subscribe for more and I'll catch you later.